8:13 on a Thursday, and I don't know, probably I wonder, like, Ellie, where is the vlog? Alright, so I don't know where the vlog is. I mean, I know where it is. I really don't. So what had happened is that my vlog out all last week, edit it, upload it to YouTube, and it got copyright, so they took it down. Alright, so I went back in the editing software, took out the music, and tried to save it. It's not saving. It's telling me that I don't have enough space on my phone, so I deleted some apps and it's still not saved. So the only option was to reset the phone. So I reset the phone, got back the app, log into the app, and there's no video. Like the video, like we can't, the video not nowhere in the app, the video there. So that's why y'all never get my vlog on Sunday. That's why I never get no vlog. So the videos that I used to make that vlog, I don't know, I can't find not one of them. So this is me starting the next vlog on a Thursday in the week. Hope you guys are okay. Like, how are you guys? I know say you good. Make sure you good, and give God thanks always. And I really don't have any much clips to post, if I'm being honest, because when I really did video nothing. So probably this is going to be a short video or vlogger, a mini vlogger, extremely mini one. So I really don't have much. I don't have no content. It's raining right now, which is good. Glad for you rain, you know why? Because the sun hot bad. I don't know say sun hot, right? So much more sticker. Sun is so hot. So the little rain will fall. It's a dew right now. It is good for the soul. If you're not from Jamaica, I'm gonna show you outside. I mean, it rained everywhere in the world, but you know, different country, different scenery. So I'm gonna bring you outside and show you what it looks like with the trees and everything. Can you guess what this is? Alright, pause. Okay, we're back. This is this is, I'm gonna say onion lime. This is sugar and wait, come here, take the guess. I literally can't remember. So right here I just have some nuggets and the sausage. I'm gonna cut them up as you see. I'm just gonna put it in the pot and fry it up. I do it with scrambled eggs. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. Guys, I just want scrambled egg mayonnaise, so don't mind all this little bit. It out of the way. Oh, let me just have this a bit more crisp though. I want it to be more crispy. That's not really feeling the out. So the rest of that's the best one still over there. Come on, nuggets. Getting late. Fry. This is crispy enough. Just probably a couple seconds more. And then add the egg. And I'm going to scrape on the plate. And the cow. Okay, so this is what I'm making for dinner. So chicken, cut up some chicken and season it, and this is the butter. So can you guess what I'm making? I'm making sweet and sour chicken. It's my first time doing it, so the fact that it's not all breast and there's bone in it, like leg and wing and everything in there, we're having bone. I'm gonna fry it first, and when I fry it, just to take out the rawness and then add it to the butter. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so the chicken, almost one batch left in there, sir. So now I'm gonna pour the butter on it. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now.